everyone and welcome to Code Bytes. Today I'm starting a very new problem solving series which is based on Java programming language. So Java is one of the most popular and one of the most used programming languages. So this problem solving series will be helpful for everyone who preparing to clear technical round which is a coding round, and then also for your college coding tests, for mock tests, when everything this will be useful. So we're gonna start from the scratch to the top. Okay, so this is our most basic question out here. So our first question is write a Java program to print hello world. So throughout this series, I'm gonna use the IntelliJ IDE platform for coding, as this is the one which I like the most and most efficient. So let me create a new class. So let me name it as hello one. So now after creating the class, I should give the public static void main string args, and after that, so this question is the most basic, and the output we need is to print the hello world. So we just need to use the system.out.println. Let me give a double quotation and give the hello world. So that's it. And let me run this. Okay, now you could see it beautifully printed hello world. So thanks for watching.